How to fix McDonald's app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if the McDonald's app is not working. For this, you want to launch open your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Then you want to find the McDonald's app from here. Now tap on the storage option. Here you want to tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. Once that is done, you want to open the application and check if that fixes your issue. If your issue is still not fixed, you simply want to open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for McDonald's. Now if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After the update has been completed, glitches or bugs will be fixed. If your problem is still not resolved, then you want to uninstall the application. Tap on the uninstall option. After that, you simply want to reinstall the application by tapping on the install button. Once the reinstallation has been completed, open the app and check if your problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.